Just when I thought I could go to bed, you guys dragged me back in. Let's go ahead and talk about the Bumpstock case out of the DC Circuit Court. Hey Wolverines, what is up, and welcome to my little piece of paradise known as John Crump News. I'm your host for today, John Crump. I'm an investigative journalist that concentrates on the two-way space. If you could do me a favor, like the video and let me know your unpopular opinion down below. My unpopular opinion is that Limp Bizkit is a great band. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for all your daily 2A content. Okay. Let's talk about something that's very, very near and dear to my heart. JSD Supply. JSD Supply is the channel sponsor, and they make really awesome stuff. Their MUP1, which is based on a SIG P320, is the perfect unserialized firearm for your needs. They also sell slides and parts, as well as a great selection of polymer 80 kits. Go ahead and use code CRUMP and you can get $10 off and free shipping. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about what happened in DC today. A 3-judge panel ruled against FPC in their Bumpstock challenge against the ATF in the DC Circuit Court today. A 3-judge panel said that the ATF was right and they had the best definition of what a machine gun is, because apparently when you pull the trigger, your finger's not pulling the trigger. The gun is pulling your finger. I don't know. It doesn't make any sense. They don't know guns, or they're just really, really anti-gun. So the next step is for FPC to request an en banc hearing. An en banc means the full bench. What happens is when you go to circuit court, you go in front of a panel of 3 judges. Those 3 judges decide, and if you don't like the decision, you can ask for an en banc decision. And what en banc means is the full bench will hear the case. Basically, they throw out the panel's decision, and it's like a do-over. I'm not going to do any cuts in this video because I'm really tired. Okay. So whatever the circuit decides at that point becomes the law of the circuit. And then you can appeal to the Supreme Court or petition for the Supreme Court to hear your case. And I don't have good feelings about FPC's chances for the full bench in DC. They are kind of anti-gun. I'm looking more towards the GOA case, the Aposha case, because that's in the 6th Circuit, which seems to be a lot gun friendlier. So that is some bad news. Some good news is the challenge to the assault weapons ban out in California has been fast-tracked by Judge St. Benitez. So that should be heard. I'm pretty sure I know what he's going to decide, because he's already decided that once before, and then that'll get kicked back up to the 9th Circuit Court, and that might be on its way to the Supreme Court. Either way, no matter who wins at the 9th Circuit, the other side is going to petition the Supreme Court to hear the case. So we'll see what happens with that. But that's just 2 really quick updates. Like I said, I'm really tired. I am working on several big stories, but can't really say much right now because I'm still developing them. One might drop sooner than the other one, but I'm still working on more than 2 actually, but I'm still working on a bunch of big investigative cases. So yeah, so keep an eye out for those. Subscribe if you haven't, because I'm pretty sure you're not going to want to miss any of the stuff I have coming up in the next couple weeks and stuff like that. All right, guys, I love you very much. Have a good night. Stay ever vigilant. Stay ever free. Keep it in the fight. I am out of here. Wolverine's mother.